went to the restaurant, and after going there, they ordered what? They ordered 2 juice. What they ordered? 2 juice, 2 burger, 2 sandwich, and 1 muffin. This thing they have ordered. Okay. So what is this? This is a menu list. Whenever you go to the hotels, you get one menu list now. In that, prices of things are written there. So chili chicken costs this one, fried rice costs this much. So here also, some people, they went to the hotel. In that hotel, one menu list they got. In that menu list, it is written fried rice 50 rupees, muffin 25 rupees, sandwich 30 rupees, burger 30 rupees, tea 8 rupees, juice 40 rupees. And people, they went there, they ordered what they ordered? 2 juice, yes, 2 burger, 2 sandwich, and 1 muffin. This thing they have ordered. So what you have to do, you have to take out the bill, menu bill. So date, in menu bill, what you have to do first? You have to write the date. So today it is which date? Whenever you will make bill, you will write the date of that day. And after that, here number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items they have ordered. What are the 4 items? Juice, burger, sandwich, muffin. So here you will write item, no? What item? 2 juice. 2 juice. Yes. Then after 2 burger they have ordered. 2 burger. Next they have ordered 2 sandwich. 2 sandwich, okay? And lastly what they have ordered? 1 muffin. 1 muffin. Okay? So what they have ordered? First they have ordered 2 juice. Second they have ordered 2 burger. Third 2 sandwiches. Fourth 1 muffin. So rate, what is the rate of 2 juice? You can see here, rate of juice is 40 rupees. Yes. So rate you will give here 40 rupees. Okay. Burger, what is the rate of the burger? Burger is rupees 30. So you will write here rupees 30. Next sandwich. What is the rate of the sandwich here? Rupees 30. You will write here rupees 30. Muffin, what is the rate of the muffin? Rupees 25. So you will write here rupees 25. Understood? Now quantity. How much quantity they have ordered there? 2. That means in quantity you will write here 2. Burger quantity again 2. You will write here 2. Sandwich, here also 2 you are seeing. So you will write here 2. And muffin, how much? 1. So you will write here 1. So here what you will do, 2 into rupees 40. You will get the answer. Okay. Next one, 2 into rupees 30. You will get your answer. Third one is 2 into rupees 30. Again you will get the answer. And fourth one is 1 into rupees 25. So what you will do here, 40 you will multiply by 2. When you will multiply 40 by 2, what you will get here? Rupees 80. Okay. Here 30 you will multiply by 2, what you will get? Rupees 60. Rupees 60. Okay. Here also rupees 60. And here 25 means rupees 25. Rupees 25. Okay, till here it is clear to you all. So after that what you will do, you will add this one. This money you have to add here. So that will be the grand total. That will be, what is that? That is the grand total. So when you will add this, what you will get here? Rupees 255. What you will get? Rupees 255. So what you have learned today, students, today you have learned how to take out the bill. Okay, so in this what we have done, that you are seeing here one menu list is there. If anything bill you will have to take out, so list will be there, menu list is there, and in menu list given there, and some people they went to the hotel, and in that hotel what they have ordered, they ordered 2 juice, 2 burger, 2 sandwiches, 1 muffin. Okay, this much in question it will given to you. Now you have to take out the bill. For taking out the bill, you have to draw this chart. Okay, in this what you have to do, first you have to divide it, one part date, one part bill, and last part total cost. Okay, here you will write the item 1. How many items is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Name of the item you have to write. What is the name? Number 1 item name, number 2 item name, number 3 item name, and number 4 item. After that what you have to write? Item rate. What is the rate of this item? You will write the rate of the item. And after that you will write quantity of the item. How much quantity is given there? Understood? So you will write the quantity of the item. And last what you have to do here? Total cost. You have to write the total cost of the each item. Okay, after finding out this, you have to take out the grand total. Means total of all the things, that is known as grand total. Then when you will add this, you will get the grand total this much. Understood? So here, according to this question, how many items is given here? 4 items. So we have written here 4 items. Okay. What is the first item? Juice. How many juice? 2 juice. We have written 2 juice. Next item is burger. How many burger? 2 burger. So we have written 2 burger. Third item is sandwiches. How many sandwiches? 2. So we have written here 2 sandwiches. And last is muffin. How many muffin is there? 1 muffin. Okay, we have written here 1 muffin. Now rate of this. What is the rate of juice given there in menu list? Rate is 40 rupees. So we have written 40 rupees. In burger it is written 30 rupees. We have written 30 rupees. Sandwich 30 rupees. We have written 30 rupees. And muffin 25 rupees. We have written 25 rupees. Now quantity you have to write. Okay. So juice 2 quantities, burger also 2, sandwich also 2, and muffin is 1. And lastly what you have to do? You have to find out the total cost. Means 2 into 40 you will do, then you will get the total cost of 2 juice. What is the total cost of 2 juice? Rupees 8. Yes, good. Next burger is there. So 2 burger is there. Total cost 2 into 30 you will do. So what total cost you will get here? You will get 60 rupees. What is the total cost here? 60 rupees. Okay, good. Next one is sandwiches. What is, how many sandwich? 2. So 2 into 30. What is the total cost of sandwiches? When you will multiply it, you will get 60. What is the total cost? 2 into 30, 60. And last item, they have ordered muffin. What is the price of that muffin? 25 rupees. And how much quantity they have offered? Only 1. So what will be the total price here? 1 into 25? 25. lastly, what you have to do? You have to take out the grand total because you are making the bill, no? So total, grand total now you have to take out. After taking out the total, you will add this all total. Okay, it is clear? You will add this all total. Then what grand total you got? Rupees 255. What is the cost of this item? What they have ordered? The cost of the item is rupees 255. Okay? Now it is clear to you all. So today you have learned one new thing, how to take out the bill. Okay? So it is very important. You all will know how to take out the bill. Okay student, it is clear to you all? Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.